rain came down. Rain came down on a Tuesday night. Tin roof talking like it knew my life. I had one boot off and one still on. Like half of me stayed, half stayed gone. There's a glass ring stain on the windowsill and a little old fan that's spinning still. Your sweater's gone, but the nail's still there. Like the house keeps asking where. Some nights don't break you, they just lean in close and show you every little thing you miss the most. There's tin roof rain in a heart full of smoke, a half-lit room and a half-healed ghost. I ain't drunk enough to say I'm fine. I ain't strong enough to leave you behind. So I sit right here while the sky comes down. Let it wash your name all over this town. Tin roof rain, keep talking to me. I heard you move somewhere south of here, where the nights stay warm and the water runs clear. I hope he loves you like I never could. Hope he knows bad men can still mean good. Me, I got older and I talk less now. Don't throw my fist, don't run my mouth, but I still wake up when the thunder hits, reaching for what I couldn't fix. Time don't forgive you, it just gives you room to learn to shake. Oh, what you lose, there's tin roof rain and a heart full of smoke, a half-lit room and a half-healed ghost. I ain't drunk enough to say I'm fine. I ain't strong enough to leave you behind. So I sit right here while the sky comes down. Let it wash your name all over this town. Tin roof rain, keep talking to me. I don't need thunder, I don't need signs. I know what love was, now that it ain't mine. I don't need answers, I don't need sleep, just one more stone to sit here with me. If you ever wonder if I still care, look for my porch light burning through wet air. I won't call you, I won't chase, but I still hear goodbye every drop that breaks, there's tin roof rain and a heart full of smoke. A half-lit room and a half-healed ghost.